Technology and spirituality, two worlds that seem far apart. But what if I told you that ancient wisdom could inspire modern algorithms? Today, we explore the surprising connection between Quranic ayat and the logic behind algorithms that power our digital world. Ayat are verses from the Quran, each carrying deep meaning, structure, and divine order. Every verse, every letter, follows a pattern. Some believe these patterns reflect a hidden logic. Algorithms, on the other hand, are step-by-step instructions that computers follow to solve problems, whether it's recommending your next YouTube video or calculating the fastest route on a map. Did you know that ayat often contain mathematical structures? The Quran's linguistic patterns and numeric symmetry have fascinated scholars for centuries. For example, the number 19 holds special significance in some interpretations, appearing frequently in patterns across the Quran. This concept of structured patterns mirrors how algorithms use numbers and sequences to create order from chaos. In computer science, we use algorithms to find solutions, create order, and recognize patterns. Similarly, some believe ayat reveal divine logic, hidden meanings that guide understanding of the universe. Consider algorithms in nature, like the Fibonacci sequence found in flowers or galaxies. Just like the structure within ayat, algorithms reflect the harmony of creation. In our digital age, understanding the deeper connection between ancient wisdom and modern technology can inspire new ways of thinking. Algorithms aren't just lines of code, they can reflect patterns of beauty, logic, and even spirituality. But what if the connection between the Quran and algorithms goes even deeper than we think? What if the mathematical patterns hidden within the ayat aren't just coincidences? If you're curious about how these ancient verses might hold secrets that even modern algorithms are just beginning to understand, this is just the beginning. Join us next time as we dive deeper into the mathematical miracles of the Quran and uncover the mysteries that could reshape the way we view both technology and spirituality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next chapter in this incredible journey. Until then, keep questioning, because every answer begins with curiosity.